This is our final lesson on volumes, so we're going to take all of the volumes that we have learned and use them. So remember, volume is big B times H. Our base formula on number 1 here that we would put in for big B is base times height. I'm going to shade my base. So I'm going to have 11 times 3 is 33. That is my big B. My height is 4. I know that 33 times 4 is 132. There are no units. We'll make up some units. We'll put inches cubed. Here, again, we have a square. Our base formula would be little b times h. So 6 times 6, big B. You'll notice area of the base is 36 times a height of 6. 36 carry 3, 18. And 3 is 21. 216, we'll call this centimeters cubed. Number 3, we just did volume of cylinders. Now notice this one, it has a diameter, so the radius will be 1.5, and you absolutely have to do that. So our base formula is pi r squared, so 3.14 times 1.5 times 1.5. My height is 4. So now we're going to have to do a little bit of math over here. So 1.5 times 1.5 is in fact 2.25. And then we need to do that times 3.14, 20, 10, 9, 5, 2, 2 placeholders, 15, 7, and 5. I'm sorry, 6. 2 times 3 is 6, not 5. 5, 11, and 5 is 16. 10, carry the 1, 7. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to write 7.065 here. And we need to do area of the base, big B, times height. So 7.065 times 4 is 20. It's going to be 26, and then 28, 1, 2, 3. So the volume of this cylinder is 28.26 centimeters cubed. So now we're going to look at things a little bit differently. Sometimes we are given big B already. You'll notice I've manipulated these pictures a little bit for us. So when I look at this, I can see that my base shape is in fact my rectangle, and I've already done the base formula for us. I've said big B times H, or little b times H divided by 2, right? And then we plugged that in and we said 6 times 4 divided by 2. But notice I didn't even really need to do that because it was given to me. Here's my big B. Big B is 12. But notice now I need to find the height. Well, I know, so I'm going to come over here. I'm going to kind of draw a line and manipulate this a little bit. I know V equals big B. So I'm going to plug in what I know. So V is 144 is equal to 12 times something. So based on our equation rules, we know we need to divide. 12 goes into 144. My height is 12 inches. 12, because 12 times 12 is 144. So I want you to be able to manipulate the formula forwards and backwards. So here, my big B is 113.04. And now I have a volume. So again, we're going to kind of manipulate this a little bit. V equals big BH. So 904.32 is equal to 113.04 times H. We don't even have to worry about pi because they've already done that for us. So 113.04, we're going to have to do the inverse, which is division. And when we do that, 113.04 to 904.32, 12, 12. Looks like it's going to be a big number, but not really, because all of these are zeros till we get to here. So essentially 11 times something is close to 90. We could maybe try, let's try 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 0 plus 3 is 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 2 plus, or 8 times 1 plus 2 is 10. And 8 plus, there we go. So our height is in fact 8 feet. So we need to be able to manipulate that and work backwards. Here we have one more for you. Big B is 2. I know that V equals big BH. You don't even have to worry about dividing by 2 because it's been done. So 8 equals 2 times H. You can probably do that in your head, but we'll show the math. So the height is 4. So I have a little scavenger hunt ladder activity for you. And then there are some check for understanding questions. I hope this recap was helpful.